from USA under Tatkal process. So I will provide all these links in the description. Please don't skip this video and then watch the complete video. In that way, you will not miss any information. Please share or like this video if you think like it's having the if it helps you. Okay, the first step is like we are going to visit the visavfsglobal.com, and then here, once you go here, and then you will try to find like from your, based on your US address, you have to determine like which center you belongs. For example, I will take the San Francisco because I live in California. So from my address, it belongs to, like, my center is belongs to San Francisco. So whenever like the once I fill the application and with all the supporting documents, I have to send it to the San Francisco center. So there are like 7 different centers out there. You can choose the center based on your address, US address. Okay. The next one is, just go ahead and check. I will provide this link in the description. This is the minor checklist under the Tatkal process. Okay. So you have to attach this checklist along with your supporting documents. So you have to fill this application name, email ID, passport number, the current passport number, mobile number. So we'll go with the step by step. The first step is going to fill the application in the government website. So the government website is embassy.passportindia.gov.in. So once you click that one, once you click the link, uh, this one, you will get, like, I'll click the link here. So I'll go and right click and open the new tab. So once you click the link here, you have to go to the here like America, and then once you click it there, then all the countries will be displayed, the USA. So if you already registered for this passport, to create an account, login account, then you can go and use the user login. If you don't have registered anything, then go ahead and use the register. So I already have the account here. So I'll put the user ID and password here. Okay. I'm putting the user ID and password. So once you log in with this one, you will try to, you'll get all the options like what you are trying to do. So here we are trying to apply for the ordinary passport. Okay, apply for the ordinary passport. Just put like applying for the reissuance of the passport, because we are going to apply the minor passport, Indian minor passport under Tatkal process. So then go ahead and do the validity expired within 3 years or due to expire. Check like whatever the condition for you, just check it. So the before the thing, when you are trying to apply in Tatkal process, that should not be, your passport should be, you should have it in possession, and there should not be any change in the name, those kind of, there won't be any changes. Okay, then only you can apply in the Tatkal process. If there is any change, your name or in your gender, those kind of thing, then you can't apply in the Tatkal. So the type of application is Tatkal. Once I click it, like, then I can go ahead and click 36 pages or 60 pages based on your requirement. I put the 36 pages here. Then next. Once you click the next, then I'm going to give the first name of the child and the last name of the child, and whether it's a female or female, no. Whether you have been known by other names, no. Have you changed your name, no. Then give the birth date of the child. I'm just putting like 1/1/2015. I'm just providing everything as a. I'm going to put the place of village. Please fill it as per your current passport. Don't change anything. It should be exactly match the place of birth in your current passport. Is your place of birth outside of India? No. I'm just putting as a no. Then you have to select the state in India, and district in India where the child born. Okay. Then marital status, it should be single because it's a minor child. Citizenship of India by birth. So you have to select based on your category. Okay. The PAN card, voter ID, employment type, you have to provide like others because the child will be in the school. The PAN, if you're available, you can provide the PAN ID. Education qualification, I just put like 7th pass or less. So is either of your government or spouse a government servant? Eh, I'm putting no, but it's based on your thing. Like if one of the parent is working as a government, then you have to put yes. If not, then put no. Is the applicable eligible for non-ECR category? You have to put no because the non-ECR category means you should be like a graduate, those kind of scenarios, but minor is still in the school, so you have to put no. If there is any distinguishing mark, like visible mark, you have to provide that one. And Aadhaar number, if you have anything in India, you have to provide it. Then put no, then next. Once you put next, then give the father name of the child, the father's first name. Okay. So the father's first name, I'm just put father. I put like last name as LLL, mother name as mother, last name as LLL, and then put the father's passport number here and Indian, mother's passport number, and then put the mother's nationality. Whatever is the nationality, just put it there. Then go to the, then go ahead and in the passport, you have to print what address you want to print, like whether is it inside India address or you want to put like outside India address. So I'm going to keep the same address as like in the current passport for my kid. So I'm putting yes, no, because my current address is Indian address. Okay. I'm just putting exactly, I'm copying from my current passport, how it looks like. The same thing. You should not change anything if you want to print the same. Okay. If you are going to change the passport, then it's going to be a problem. Okay. So then the district, I'm just putting Chennai. Then pin code, I have to put something there. Okay. Telephone number, mobile number, whatever it's there, just I'm putting for whatever you have it, just put it there. Okay. Police station, I'm just selecting the first police station, but whatever it's for you, just put it there. And is your other address is outside of India? Yes, because you need to put your current uh, US address. Okay. You have to put the mobile number of US mobile number. Once you put the region there, put like USA. So then go to the next. So what they're asking is your passport printable address exactly matched to the Indian address printed on the previous passport? Uh, I want the same address, so I'm putting no. If you want to make the changes, then you have to press the yes. Emergency contact details, you have to provide I always provide my name. Okay. You have to put your first name and last name, and then go to the mobile number again. Just put it there. Email ID, whatever it's there, just put it. The previous passport detail, just go and put like whatever the current passport number you have, whatever the issue. You have to check the place of issue, like mostly if you renewed the last time in US, then you have to put the check the current passport and put it. Sorry. Then date of issue, so the place of issue, you have to go and where the last time they issued the passport, you have to put the place, and date of issue, you have to put, date of expiry, you have to put, and file number you have to put. Okay. Place of issue, I'm just putting a San Francisco. Then I'm just putting some number. Okay, file number, I'm just putting 123456789. So they're asking whether you have the diplomatic official passport. No, mostly the kids will not have that one. Have you ever applied for the passport but not issued? No. Next. So in this scenario, you have to put everything as no, because it's asking for a set of questions, whether you have any criminal cases, you have any withstanding with the Indian government or imprisonment, like those kind of things, denied the passport. So you have to check your question, and mostly the answer should be no for everything. Okay. But you have to check based on your criteria, and then read each question and then put the yes or no. Okay. If you put yes, then you have to provide the more details for this one. Then in this page, you can able to see like how this will be. This is kind of a review page where you see here the Republic of India and then the first name and last name. This is how it will be printed in the passport. Okay. And you can check it here, whatever the information you filled, whether it's matches or not. Okay. Once you review, press next. Okay. Then it will again ask for the all the info, like it will just to review for all the information, whatever you filled. Just go through each and every section, and then if you require any changes, go back and do the changes. If not, just check it one more time and then put a place wherever you were filling the thing. And just put as San Francisco and today's date and submit it. You have to provide the confirmation, no need to validate, or yes, all the details are correct. I already verified all the details are correct. I'm just putting as all the details are correct. And there will be some application reference number will be there, and also you will receive the email. Okay, in this scenario, go and save this application reference number for you with you. Okay, so this is like how you submit the government application form. Once you have this application reference number with you, just keep it with you, save it somewhere, and then go to the reissuance, like again to the mandatory document. Okay, the step one is done. The step two is the photograph specification. This is kind of like you have to, don't go to the nearest Walmart or somewhere, because the price is very low in the Walmart, but the quality is not that much good. So go to the Walgreens. That's what I use, because I used Walmart initially, and then I took the photo and sent it for the passport renewal, and they denied, and they asked because the photo is not that much clear, the background is not that much clear. So use Walgreens to take your photos, and uh, I didn't like. It's very good in the Walgreens. Okay, use Walgreens or CVS, whichever is near to you. But the photo should be very bright. The background should be white and bright. Okay, so take like two photos, and then the third one is like the Indian passport for the minor, and take a copy of that one. Okay, so keep the original and also take a copy of that one. That's step number 3. Step number 4 is for the affidavit for change of appearance and signature. So for the kid, the appearance will be changing, right? Because it's been renewed like last 4 years back. Now it's been changed. So for that one, they have to fill a form. You can click here to download the form, and the form will be like this. I'll show you the form, how it will look like. Okay, the form will look like this: the affidavit for change of appearance and signature. So what you need to do is you have to go here and then fill the form, like you see here, right? So you have to go here, and then so you have to fill like put the whatever your kid's name there. Okay, for example, I means your name should be there. Okay, one sec, I'll tell you the exact thing, however whatever I fill there. One sec. Okay, just give me one sec.